And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 26, verse 34 up to 35. When Esau was 40, he married Judith, the daughter of Beeri, the Hittite, and Basimat, the daughter of Elon, the Hittite. But these two women brought a lot of grief to his parents, Isaac and Rebekah. In this passage, Esau, the twin brother of Jacob, got married, and she is married to two Hittite women, and it became the source of grief to the husband and wife of, should I say, to Isaac and to Rebecca, to the couples, and to the parents of Esau. Why? Because Esau chose a wife that is a Hittite. Both of them are Hittite, meaning they have different God, different religion, and of course, different nationality. So that means they do have a conflict. So they don't like one another because in the first place they don't serve the same God, and that's it. They don't like one